you like fruit?
Yes, I do.
Do you like fruit?
Me too. Sometimes I want an apple, crunchy and so red.
Sometimes I want some grapes, purple, green, or spread.
If I'm feeling hungry, guess what I will do? I grab a fruity snack or two.
Fruits, juicy and sweet, yummy to smell and fun to eat. Fruits, what a delight.
Let's eat fruits from morning to night. Sometimes I want a banana, peel it down just right.
Sometimes I want an orange, sunny, round, and bright.
If I'm feeling hungry and lunch is almost near, I pick some fruits and give a cheer.
Fruits, juicy and sweet, yummy to smell and fun to eat. Fruits, what a delight. Let's eat fruits from morning to night. What's your favorite fruit today?
Oh, maybe peach or tangerine.
Mine's a pineapple, hip hooray.
Help!
Or a bunch of grapes so green.
Fruity snacks, hooray, hooray. We love to eat them every day.
Call fruits, juicy and sweet, dancing in a fruity beat.
Apples, bananas, melons too.
Fruits are fun for me and you.